Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about inverse trigonometric functions, differentiation, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. No, d by dx of sin inverse x is equals to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of cos inverse x is equals to minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Learned now 6 formulas, very important formulas. If you know these formulas well, means this exercise will be very easy. Okay. Exercise 5.3, already done implicit functions differentiation. Next, inverse trigonometric functions differentiation. Okay, some problems are there, very important and very dead easy also. But if you don't know that formulas well, means it is very difficult to solve the problems. Okay na? Inverse trigonometric functions use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is very easy. Okay, how to solve this one? See, next question number exercise 5.3, question number 9. So y is equals to sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, my dear student, if you are doing this directly, means it is very difficult to solve this problem. Okay, so that's why we had to by using the inverse trigonometric properties are there now. So some formulas are there. By using that formulas, we can easily solve this problem. How it will be? See, I will tell you. Okay, one formula is there. 2x divided by 1 plus x square is there. Means we have to substitute x is equals to tan theta. Tan theta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. X is equals to tan theta ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Otherwise tan alpha also we can. Tan alpha ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Tan beta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Tan ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Why sir you are taking tan? Why? Because one formula is there. 2 into tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to, formula is there. What is that formula? Sin 2 theta. That formula I will write it. So what is that? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to, what is this formula? Is equals to sin sin 2 theta. So this is one well-known formula. Okay, you have to keep it in your mind. So my dear students, so you have to keep it in your mind, this formula. If you know this formula, this is very dead easy problem. Okay, sin 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, that's why I had to consider x is equals to tan theta. Let x is equals to tan theta. Okay, so yes, use tan theta andre according to the inverse trigonometric of tan inverse x use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we can write it as theta is equals to tan inverse x. You can write now tan inverse x. So therefore tan inverse x is equals to theta. Okay, so this is the definition. Tan inverse x equals to theta. Substitute this value here. We'll substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Don't do directly differentiation. Direct differentiation ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. It is very difficult to solve this problem. First you have to convert by using the inverse trigonometric properties and formulas. Okay, use ಮಾಡಿ convert ಮಾಡಿ last ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so my dear students, keep it in your mind. Very important. Y is equals to sin inverse of 2 into x. What is x? Tan theta. Okay, divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, what is the formula? 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta, sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta. So therefore y is equals to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. According to the sin inverse of sin 2 theta means sin inverse cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. But not that procedure. Is equals to what? 2 theta. So y is equals to 2 theta. Okay, so what is the theta here? Theta is equals to tan inverse x. Very easy. So therefore y is equals to 2 tan inverse x. Like that, first we have to simplify by using the inverse trigonometric properties and formulas. So this formula na. Okay, or now differentiate. You are differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, have to use the formula and differentiate with respect to x with respect to x. Okay, so I had to differentiate in difference ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ both side divide x d by dx of y d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of 2 tan inverse x. So d by dx of 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x. Okay na? So d by dx what milta? So 2 is a common constant, make it out 2 d by dx of tan inverse x. What is the formula for d? Already told na formula, very very important, in last class already told. So d by dx of I will write another times here I will write d by dx of tan inverse x is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, so this is a formula. Okay, d by dx of tan inverse x, d by dx of tan inverse x is equals to what? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Write down this one. 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x is what? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, multiply 2 into 1 2. So therefore 2 divided by 1 plus x square. See, very dead easy problem. Okay, so my dear students, so ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, 2 divided by 1 plus x square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So you have to solve like this. Understood? So I have to learn the formulas. ಈ ತರ formulas ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 3 formulas are there. Sin 2 theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ, cos 2 theta another formula is there, tan 2 theta. If you learn these 3 formulas means here some 8 to 10 problems are there, you can easily solve these type of problems. Okay na? Next question. See, question number 9 is over now, and later I will do question number 10 and all. Next 13. Why sir doing 13 means related problem. This is related problem. ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ. So y is equals to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. The condition is -1 less than x less than 1. Previous problem is what? Same question hai. Sin inverse ಇತ್ತು here cos inverse. Cos inverse ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ so I will do here itself. So my dear students, please sir cooperate. So cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is a condition. 2x divided by 1 plus x square ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Take tan ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So same formula, sin 2 theta equals to 1 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So x is equals to tan theta. Same procedure for the last one also. This one also same procedure. Tan inverse x according to the tan inverse x system, tan inverse x inverse trigonometric function tan inverse x, we can write it as if x is equals to tan theta means tan inverse x is equals to theta. Already told, inverse trigonometric function already. Okay na? Next, substitute these values here. We'll substitute one. Cos inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square same. And cos inverse of sin 2 theta. Cos inverse of sin 2 theta. So here what side change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. cos sin ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್? I had to use the bracket. Okay, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು, cos inverse ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ y is equals to cos inverse of sin 2 theta ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ cos ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. cos of 5/2 minus 2 theta. This is the procedure. Sin ಇಂದ cos ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತರ, cos ಇಂದ sin ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5/2 minus ಏನು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್. tan to cot ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ತರನೇ, tan to cot, cot to tan, cosecant to secant, secant to cosecant, sin to cos, cos to sin. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? why you are writing like this sir? why? because cos inverse cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. you can easily simplify. No, that's why my dear students, keep it in your mind. Okay, this is the procedure. Sin 2 theta is equals to cos 5/2 minus 2 theta. This is the formula. cos inverse cos. What is the y value? Y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay na? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay. Next write down. So substitute y is equals to pi by 2 same minus 2 into theta. Theta is what? Already written tan inverse x. Tan inverse. What is pi by 2, sir? Pi by 2 is constant. Pi by 2 is constant. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate madam. Okay. Differentiation madam y. What is the y? Okay. Y differentiate madam. Y dy by dx is equals to dy by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Both sides dy by dx ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಾ? Next dy by dx is equals to separate ಮಾಡಿ. So dy by dx of pi by 2 minus. Okay. dy by dx of pi by 2 minus dy by dx of 2 tan inverse x. dy by dx of 2 tan inverse. Over dy by dx same ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. dy by dx of pi by 2, what is the answer? Tell me. Pi by 2 is constant. Only constant, already told now. Only constant. dy by dx of only constant is what? 0. So this is 0 minus. So 2 is constant, make it out. Not only constant. Constant is function. 2 over minus 2. dy by dx of tan inverse x, already told now. Formula is x. dy by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So this is the answer. Now simplify it. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 2 into 1 minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. ಅದೇ previous problem ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? 2 divided by ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 divided by ಬರ್ತದೆ. That's why ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮೇ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮೇ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 6 to 7 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಟೇನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. 1 or 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? dy by dx of tan inverse x is equals to what? dy by dx of tan inverse x is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. dy by dx of tan inverse x is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. This is about the question number 30. Next we will move to the next related problem. See next question number 11. 10th problem is there. I will do after this. Okay. Next see. So my dear students, question number 11. Y is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Condition 0 less than x less than 1. 0 less than x less than 1. Okay, this is the condition. And how to solve? How to differentiate? How to find the dy by dx? dy by dx and find it. So don't do directly. Direct ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. By using the formulas and properties of the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Here also same consideration. X is equals to tan theta. Tan inverse x is equals to what? Tan inverse x is equals to theta. Okay. By using the properties. Where? Properties of tan inverse x. Tan inverse is equal to. This is very important. Already so many times told. Next. Okay. Consideration is what is? Right. These things. Y is equals to tell me. Cos inverse of y equals to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Next. Itara baradmalike after writing this one, again problem starts. What is the problem? Don't know the formula. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. How to find out? Gurtitkolli. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is sin tan 2 theta. This is sin, this is the cos 2 theta. So that is sin 2 theta. This is cos 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. See here, already written. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to what? Cos 2 theta. This is already told in second chapter. Inverse trigonometric functions already ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Okay. Same we have to follow. ಇಲ್ಲೇ follow ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay na? What is the formula? Cos 2 theta ತಗೊಂಡು substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So y is equals to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Y is equals to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Over. Next. So cos cancel cos inverse. So therefore y is equals to what? 2 theta. Y is equals to 2 into theta. Theta is what? Theta tan inverse. Theta is equals to tan inverse. Okay na? Theta is equals to tan inverse. Okay. Now I am going here. Differentiate. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. With respect to x differentiate mana. Okay. What? So dy by dx of y, dy by dx is equals to dy by dx of 2 tan inverse x. Dy by dx of 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. Okay na? 2 tan inverse x. See here dy by dx is equals to dy by dx of 2 tan inverse x. Both sides dy by dx. Okay. Is equals to dy by dx is equals to dy by dx of only constant. It is not only constant. Constant with function. Constant or keep it out. So 2 into dy by dx of tan inverse x. Direct formula is there. No. So 1 divided by what is the formula? Already written. Dy by dx of tan inverse x is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Already 2 times used here itself. Very important formula this one. Keep it in your mind, my dear students. Dy by dx of tan inverse x is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Sir, why sir you are writing 2? 2 means here 2 is there, no? That's why. Okay, so madine confuse agade constant banದಾಗ. Only constant ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ 0. Constant into any function means 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Constant ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿಡಿ, keep it outside and ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ multiplication ಮಾಡಿ function ನ differentiation ಮಾಡಿ. This is very important. Keep it in your mind, my dear students. Okay. So this is the answer. So 2 into 1 is what? 2. So therefore dy by dx is equals to 2 divided by 1 plus x. Very easy problem. Same problem, one problem is there. I will do that also. Question number 11 not. Question number 12 is there. So this is question number 11. No, sorry, 11. 10 is there. I will do 10 also. See my dear students. So question number 12. Okay, same related no to previous one. Previous one ke same. So y is equals to sin inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. What is the condition? 0 less than x less than 1. Okay, so this is the condition. Okay. So write down sin inverse of same consideration for this also. Gudditkolli. Why? Because 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x square is same x is equals to tan theta. 2x divided by 1 plus x square is tan theta. That's why x is equals to tan theta, tan inverse x is equals to theta. Tan inverse x is equals to theta. Substitute x is equals to tan theta here. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square. Okay. Y is equals to sin inverse of what is this formula? Already told previous problem. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. What is the formula? Cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta. Sin inverse of this is cos 2 theta. Next. Here if you observe these two things, one is sin inverse x, another one is cos. No, different is there. So sin inverse change ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So you can change the cos change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ told cos to sin change ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what to do? pi by 2 minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So therefore y is equals to sin inverse of sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay na? So sin inverse of sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So this is the procedure. Now sin inverse of sin will be what? Cancel. So therefore y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2. Like that we have to simplify. This is only the difference. This is the difference of previous problem to problem first. Same. So sin inverse is the column inverse. Next. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to dy by y in order dy by dx is equals to d by dx of pi by 2 minus no, first we have to write that theta. What is theta? Tan inverse x substitute. Okay, so y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 into tan inverse x. Pi by 2 minus 2 into tan inverse x. Okay, pi by 2 minus 2 into tan inverse x. 2 into tan inverse x. Okay, over. Next, separate it. One of the separate one. So ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx is equals to what? dy by dx is equals to d by dx of pi by 2 minus d by dx of pi by 2 minus d by dx of 2 tan inverse x. d by dx of 2 tan inverse x. Okay na? ಇವಾಗ separate ಮಾಡಿ. What is the d by dx of pi by 2? Pi by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? d by dx of pi by 2 is 0. Already told no? 0. Okay. So dy by dx is equals to 0. This is 0 minus 2 constant ma. 2 into function. So 2 minus 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x formula. Very familiar one. Already 3 times told. Now only d by dx of tan inverse x is equals to what? d by dx of tan inverse x is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So multiplication 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. This is one of the easiest problem. Okay. Only consideration is have to keep it in your mind. Tan theta maximum problems ke. Next formula is very important. So follow these things means sure you will get the good marks. Okay na? What is answer now? dy by dx equals to minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. Next. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts means please comment in this video. Otherwise through WhatsApp. My dear students, thank you.